not only what do you think the future will bring, what do you wish it should bring, or what all of us should be doing in UX. So this is a little bit of a creative exercise, I suppose. So, and we didn't rehearse this. So anybody have a prediction on the future?
When we watch TV in the evening, which we watch a lot more right now than we ever have, the moment of delight, back to Steve, you know, where the moments of delight, right, from like a simple device, the remote for Amazon Fire. Wow, what a delight that you just talk to it and the movie pulls up, or whatever it is, it pulls up, and the purchase experience, if it's something you haven't subscribed to, is so click, click, click and simple, everything. That is just awesome. And so my wish is for more home devices to work like that, because I find it incredibly powerful. I find it also very convenient to tell Alexa, please, you know, do this or do that or play this. That's awesome. Why would I want to be on some kind of device and fiddle my way through Spotify if I can just please ask Alexa to play whatever I would like to listen to, right? That gives me hope that there could be more experiences like that, which it feels like it's so at our fingertips. And I'll add one little thing. The other day I bought a piece of software. It was a tool, and the tool was supposed to do something. It didn't do it, and I wanted to return it. And the company was off hours. They were in the UK. They had a little bot, and the bot had a little chat with me, like not a real one. It wasn't even feeling canned, but I knew it was a bot. It identified itself. But we had a nice little conversation, and I had my refund like that. And that was cool. I know that this is nothing really new and that futuristic, but the fact that it works so well today gives me hope that it can be applied into other things that I find cumbersome today. I find very cumbersome typing on tiny little user interfaces, and every letter takes a long time to edit. That I find cumbersome.